Hey guys, Rob from Ultimate Diesel Tuning. Well, today I want to talk to you a little bit about information about the Tritons and not just the Tritons, but all vehicles that get aftermarket bull bars. But before I go on, make sure you subscribe to Ultimate Diesel Tuning on YouTube and click the bell for notifications. Well guys, one of the big things you do when you do purchase a new vehicle is modify it, and that's get a custom dyno tune, but you also might tend to go get a bull bar. And today I want to talk to you in particular about being really cautious about what bar you do fit on the car, because this is a great example of a Mitsubishi Triton, and I want to talk to you in particular about the front of this vehicle. You can actually see the front of this Mitsubishi MR Triton has a really large surface area that enables airflow through to the intercooler, the transmission cooler that's factory there, and the radiator. Now there's a lot of bars on the market that actually block a lot of this surface area. And what happens then is, whether you're on the beach, you're towing, it doesn't have to be tuned, it's just be totally standard, or towing a big caravan in a little bit of warmer weather, you start to see increases in temperatures. And that is heavily due to the fact you don't have airflow to those critical cooling components of your engine. So the intercooler helps cool the air from the turbocharger. The radiator, which is behind that, is actually cooling the water running through your engine. So these key cooling components for your vehicle are really important to keep the health of your engine in good order. So guys, when it does come to the time to look for bull bars, lights for your vehicle, make sure you're thinking about the surface area and how much airflow is actually getting through to those cooling components for your vehicle. So guys, just think about that when it comes to buying a new bar.